If you're trying to fix the Mailchimp error sending verification email, this video will walk you through the quickest checks to get your account verified and moving again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, the problem is not Mailchimp itself, but something simple on your side like the email landing in spam, a temporary delay, or a service status issue. So before you keep clicking resend over and over, follow these steps carefully. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, start with the easiest fix. Check your inbox thoroughly. Open the email address you use for Mailchimp and look inside your spam folder, junk folder, and if you use Gmail, also check the promotions tab. Verification emails can often be filtered automatically, especially if they include links or are sent from a service email address. If you find the message there, open it and click the verification link right away. In many cases, that is all you need to do. If the email is not in any of those folders, the next step is to give Mailchimp a little time before requesting another one. Sometimes verification messages are delayed, especially during busy periods or if your email provider is slow to deliver messages from external services. Wait about 15 minutes before trying again. While you wait, it's a good idea to log out of Mailchimp completely and close the browser tab. If you have a VPN running, turn it off as well. VPNs can sometimes trigger security checks or interfere with the verification process. After waiting, go back to Mailchimp and request a fresh verification link. Make sure you are using the same email address tied to your account. If Mailchimp gives you the option to resend the email, click that once and then check your inbox again. Avoid repeatedly clicking resend in a short period of time because that can sometimes make the situation worse or cause the message to be delayed even longer. Now, if you're still not receiving the email, the next thing you should do is check Mailchimp's service status. Open your browser and go to status.mailchimp.com. On that page, look for any active incidents, email delivery problems, or maintenance notices. If Mailchimp is experiencing a platform issue, then the verification email may simply be delayed on their side, and the best move is to wait until service is restored. This is why checking the status page is such an important step. It saves you from wasting time trying the same thing over and over. If everything looks normal on the status page, go back and try the resend process one more time after logging in fresh. Use a stable internet connection, keep your browser simple, and avoid switching devices too often. Also double check that you typed your email address correctly when signing up or entering your account details. Even a small typo can stop the verification email from ever reaching you. Once the verification email finally arrives, click the link as soon as possible because some verification links expire after a certain amount of time. After confirming your account, you should be able to continue setting up Mailchimp without the error showing again. So to recap, check spam, junk, and Gmail promotions first, wait 15 minutes before resending, log out and turn off VPNs, request a fresh verification link, and then check status.mailchimp.com for any service issues. These simple steps solve the majority of Mailchimp verification email problems. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.